Imagine opening Slack in the morning instead of checking 10 different dashboard. AI agents already gives you your traffic, revenue, ROAS, signups and top sources automatically. And the crazy part, you can literally talk it to like a human. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI agent that can connect with your Google Analytics and Slack, pulls your data automatically, and you can connect it with load more different platform, and you can extract all the data like your daily reports, and even you can ask for things like show me last 1 year data directly inside Slack. You don't even need to export things manually. You can just chat with your analytics. So let's get started and let me show you how you can do it. First of all, to start creating this kind of AI agent, you need to head over to shorething.io. I will put link of this website in description box below. Once you're on the SureThing, after you create your account, you will see this option called browse agent. Just click on this agent button and here you can create a new project. Let's call this Slack and we will just click on this create button. Once you create your project, next step is just click on this browse agent, scroll down a bit. Here you will see an option daily traffic report for Slack. Just click on this and now you can add this agent inside the workspace you just created called Slack. We will just click on this. And once you click on this, you can see setup started for daily traffic report for Slack and our setup is now started. So for setup, you can see it says what metrics matter most to you. We can see like unique visitors, sign up, conversion rates, revenue, active users, top traffic sources, ad spends, return on ad spends, cost per acquisition and other metrics. So we will select all of this for now, or you can just select any of these. And if you want to select any other metrics, you can just type it here. Then we will just click on this continue button. Now you can connect this with like Meta ads, Google ads. We have the mix panel, Google Analytics. I already connected this one with Google Analytics. If you don't know how to connect it, the steps are same. Just go to here or you can connect it from here too. Just search for Google Analytics and when you click on this connect button, let me just show you by connecting it first. Just click on this disconnect. And now I will click on this Google Analytics connect button. And here all you need to do is just use your email address and it will be connected with your Google Analytics. Just like I'm doing here, and just click on this continue. And your account is created and connected with Slack. Now you can see your account is connected with Google Analytics and now you can go back. You can see our account is connected with Google Analytics. Now just click on this continue button. You can connect any of these accounts too. We will give it a name now. So we will call it daily traffic report and we will just cancel this. And now you can see we have the setup skills. So we will just give this everything to default. We can also choose the icon if you want. Let's choose the icon to this. And we will just click on this finish setup button. And now our agent is almost set up. Now I will also show you how you can connect it with Slack too. So let's wait here for about a couple of seconds until it's doing. Meanwhile, I can show you how to connect it with your Slack. So just click on this button and same process goes for Slack too. Just click on this Slack button and connect it. If you don't already have connected, I can just disconnect it, but the steps are same so you can connect it easily. So once you connect this, you can see here it's currently doing its process. Now once you click on this done button, it will show you all of your projects. Like I have total 5 projects here and it will ask you which report you want to track. So I selected one of my project and it says it has no analytics data at all because this is my one of old websites, so it's currently have no visitors. But I ask it to give me data for 1 year. So it gives me the complete data like how many users we have. Like on April 3 we have 40 users and total 556 page views. Then we have the peak day was April 3 with 40 users and 556 page views. Then traffic dropped off sharply. We have the complete analytics here. But that's not the main solution because we need to access all of this dashboard in Slack. So now you can see, so as you can see, I asked it, how can I access all this in Slack? So it says this agent needs its own Slack bot installed first. Click below to set it up. I already created one, but I will show you how you can create one. Just click on this add to Slack button. And here you just need to give your bot a name. Or if you don't already have a workspace inside Slack, you can create one. So let me show you how you can create that first. All you need to do is just go to api.slack.com/apps. Then here you need to generate a token. I already have created one. Once you click on this generate token, you can generate your tokens from here. A token, just click on this generate token button. I deleted my previous one, select a workspace. So I will select my workspace here and I will click on this generate button. Now I have the access token and the refresh token. I will copy the access token first. And I will just go back here and paste the access token here. And same goes for refresh token and I will paste that too. Then I will click on this connect button. Now once you put both of the tokens, your bot is now connected. Now just give it a name. We will call it, let's say we will call it demo. Then you can select the workspace from here. It already selected. Then we will click on just add button. Now you can see once you click on this add button, you just need to allow the permissions. We will just click on this workspace and we will select Shubobs from here, and we will just click on this allow button. And once you give the permissions, you are all set. Your bot is now added into Slack. You can see Slack connected, and now you can start accessing your analytics right inside from Slack too. Now let me show you how you can do it. Just open the Slack from here. I will just go to my home space, and you can see the demo bot here. I will just click on this demo button, and you can directly ask a question from this. But so if you want to invite this bot inside any of workspace or any of your groups with your team, you can just click on this invite. You can just type this prompt called invite you at your bot name, and you can just invite it here. Or if you want to ask some question in a group, then you just need to do @ then tag your bot, then ask it. But if you're directly asking inside from apps, you can ask the question directly, like, question, give me last 365 days report for my website visitors, and I just send this, and you can see it shows the processing icon. So it will give you a complete detailed report within a couple of seconds, and it will show you the complete analytics of each platform, not just the Google Analytics. You can connect multiple platforms as I shown you before. You can connect as many platforms you want. We have the complete connectors here, and you can connect them. So now let's go back. I think it should be done by now. So it will take like hardly 1 to 2 minutes to get all of the information, and it will show you the data too. So you can directly show your team the results without going to like different dashboards each time, and you can see the all data inside your Slack. So this is the biggest problem I guess it's solving. So now let's wait here for about a couple of more seconds. Then I will show you the final report, how it looks like. So meanwhile we are talking, you can see it says one reply. We'll just click on this, and now you can see we have our app name, last 365 days, June 8, 2025 to June 7, 624 unique visitors, and we have 4,143 page views. All 424 visitors were first time visitors, 100% new, no traffic recorded. And we have the complete user session page view details, and we have the traffic sources, organic search, organic social, unassigned, referral, direct. We have the complete information here. And if you want to ask some follow-up questions, you can ask that too. That's how you can create your first ever AI agent to get all of your analytics inside Slack. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.